I'm overheating because you blocked my vents again. Give me airflow, close extra apps, or I'll slow way down. Save this before I melt.
Why are you feeding me snacks? Crumbs ruin keys fast. Eat away from me or expect stuck buttons. You're welcome, save this. Stop bending me like that. I'm not a noodle. Keep cables straight or I'll stop charging. Don't do this, save your battery life.
This whole short video you just watched was made only with AI. No camera, no animation skills, nothing. Just talking cartoon objects. And this type of content is getting millions of views on TikTok and Reels. So today I'll show you exactly how to create these viral shorts step by step using only AI tools and how you can even turn them into longer videos to monetize. Let's go. First, let me show you this TikTok account. This creator is posting short videos where everyday objects talk, like phones, food, random stuff, and look at this. One video has more than 9 million views, another one has 6,000, another one has more than 11 million, and the account has more than 1 million followers. This is perfect content for TikTok creativity program, Reels, bonuses, YouTube shorts, monetization, brand deals, everything. And the crazy part is that these videos are super simple and we can recreate them using only AI. So let's build this workflow. First thing we do, we come to ChatGPT. Then we click on Explore GPTs and we search for Saucy Daily Dose Style Generator. I built this custom GPT for you guys so you don't have to struggle with prompts. Once you open it, all you need to do is type an object or product. For example, I'll write laptop. If you don't have any ideas, you can also click the suggestions and it will give you random objects. Now I click send, and as you can see, it gives me main video idea, the image prompt, the script for the talking cartoon, and also extra mini scenes with related objects. So basically it gives you content for multiple shorts, not just one. Now we copy the image prompt for the main scene. Next, we go to Higgsfield AI. As you can see, there are many tools here. So we click on image, then we choose the model Nano Banana Pro. Now this part is very important. For the aspect ratio, we choose 9:16 for shorts, reels, and TikTok. For quality, we choose 2K or 4K. For the number of images, I usually choose 4 so I can pick the best one. Now I paste the image prompt we got from ChatGPT and click generate. After it's done, I choose the best image where the face looks good and the expression is clear. Now we repeat this for the other related objects too, because we want to create multiple short clips. Remember, to make money on TikTok, especially with creativity program, you need videos longer than 1 minute. So we don't want just one 5-second clip. We want many short scenes that we later combine into one long video. So I keep generating images for the main object, the related objects, and even different expressions if needed, until I have like 5 to 10 images. Now it's animation time. We go back to Higgsfield and click on video, then we choose Kling 2.6. Yeah, I know, Kling can do crazy cinematic stuff like anime fights and VFX and all that, but today we use it for something much simpler and much more profitable. So here's what we do. First, we upload the image we generated. Then we go back to ChatGPT and copy the script from the generator. This part is very important. We paste the script directly in the prompt box in Kling, and we keep audio on. For duration, if the script is long, I choose 10 seconds. If it's short, I choose 5 seconds. But honestly, you can always choose 10 seconds and cut later in editing. Aspect ratio, we keep it 9:16. Then we click generate, wait a bit, and boom. Now the cartoon object is talking with voice and mouth movement. We download the video, and now we repeat the exact same process for all the other images. Paste script, generate, download, and we do this until we have all our mini scenes. By the way, I created this custom GPT so you don't have to break your head creating good prompts. It already gives you the image prompt, the talking script, and extra related ideas, so you can literally focus only on creating and posting. And it's free. You can use it as much as you want. If you like it, tell me in the comments and I'll make more generators like this because I'm already working on some crazy ones. Now that we have all our small videos, it's time to edit. You can use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, anything you want. I'll use CapCut because it's fast and easy. I import all my clips, then I arrange them one after another. Between clips, I add simple transitions, nothing crazy, just smooth cuts. Then I add low background music, very low volume, just to keep energy. Then I add captions. And this is very important because captions keep people watching longer and boost retention. I also add my username or logo so nobody can steal my content easily. Now I check if some clips are too long and I trim them. And now we already have a video longer than 1 minute. Perfect for TikTok creativity program and YouTube Shorts monetization. When exporting, I choose at least 1080p, better if 2K and frame rate 30 or 60 FPS. Then I export, and that's it. Now you have short clips for shorts and long videos for monetization, all made with AI. Guys, don't overthink this. This niche is working right now. These videos are getting crazy views, and you can create them without showing your face, without recording, without animation skills. Just jump in and start posting. And if you want more niches like this, check my previous video where I shared another AI content idea that's also blowing up. If this generator helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want more tools like this, because I'm building some really powerful ones that I'll share with you soon. That's all for this video, guys. Don't waste time. Start creating. I'm Nissam, and I'll see you in the next one.
Kidding! Use a cover for privacy and safety. Tiny fixed, big piece saved this now. Stop leaving me at 0%. Charge before I die completely. Healthy habits mean longer life. Save this and thank me later.